Okay, so threading up of the yarn. It's most important to keep the yarn, directly below the eyelet. And then simply through the thread guide. And depending on what finish you're having, whether it's on the edge or wrapped around, you put it in or out of the tension discs. Don't worry about going around the tension post, it's just simply over the top. Or if you're wrapping round, it's just completely out. Through the other yarn guide. Another guide here. Okay, and there's another one lower down here. This is where it can be a bit tricky, and it's a good idea sometimes to use your tweezers. And you can feed it through, pick it up, and then push it through to the front of the machine. Right, so once you've got your thread through to the front of the machine, you want to rotate your machine by hand clockwise until what we call the bird's beak to the furthest extent. And there's two holes. You want to always go through the bottom hole on the bird's beak. Okay. Now, the lower looper thread, this is where it's really important. As you can see, it's not quite right. It wants to be round, and importantly, over the top of the bird's beak. So you're coming in, round the back, over the top. And then with the thread, there's an eyelet inside here. Just simply feed through. Okay, so once you've pushed the thread through the eyelet at the bottom, you see you can't get to the thread very easily. So you want to rotate the machine by hand again, clockwise, until the upper looper is its furthest extent, and that will allow you to get in with your tweezers and pick up the thread and simply pull through. So now you've got the wool out the top. You want to come in the upper looper from the back through to the front, and then through the front eyelet, front to back, and then simply out the back of the machine and get your three threads together and out to the side of the machine. And you're done.
Giggity.